Welcome to Star Technology 5G. In the last video, we studied the basic of C language. In today's video I will show you C language data types and operators. Let's start the video. Please subscribe to the Star Technology 5G and click on the bell icon. Data types in C language. There are several types of data that can be used in C programming language. A table below shows the range of values which these data can have when used in their basic form. Data type. Description. Number of bits. Range of values. Data type. Char. Character. Number of bits. 8 range of values. 0 to 255. Data type. Int. Integer. Number of bits. 16 range of values. Minus 32,768. To plus 32,767. Data type. Float. Floating point. Number of bits. 32. Range of values. It will start from this to this. Data type. Double. Double precision floating point. Number of bits. 32. Range of values. It will start from this to this. By adding prefix, qualificator, to any data type, the range of its possible values changes as well as the number of memory bytes needed. Data type. Data type with prefix. Number of bits. Range. Data type. Char. Data type with prefix. Signed char. Number of bits. 8. Range. Minus 128 to plus 128. Data type. Int. Data type with prefix. Unsigned int. Number of bits. 16. Range. 0 to 65,535. Data type. Short int. Number of bits. 8. Range. 0 to 255. Data type. Signed short int. Number of bits. 8. Range. Minus 128 to plus 127. Data type. Long int. Number of bits. 32. Range. It will start from 0 to this. Data type. Signed long int. Number of bits. 32. Range. It will start from this to this. Arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operators are used in arithmetic operations and always return positive results. Operator. Operation. That is sign of. Addition. That is sign of. Subtraction. That is sign of. Multiplication. That is sign of. Division. That is sign of. Reminder. Assignment operators. There are two types of assignments in C language. Simple operators assign values to variables using the common equal character. For example, a equals 8. Compound assignments are specific to C language and consist of two characters as shown in the table. An expression can be written in a different way as well, but this one provides more efficient machine code. Operator. Example. Expression. Equivalent. Plus equals. Expression. A plus equals 8 is equivalent to A equals A plus 8. It will add the 8 into A and store result in A. Minus equals. Expression. A minus equals 8 is equivalent to A equals A minus 8. It will minus the 8 from A and store result in A. Multiply equals. Expression. A multiply equals 8 is equivalent to A equals a multiply 8. It will multiply the 8 with A and store result in A. Divide equals. Expression. A divide equals 8. Is equivalent to A equals a divide 8. It will divide the A with 8. And store result in A. Reminder equals. Expression. A reminder equals 8. Is equivalent to A equals a reminder 8. It will calculate the reminder and store result into A. Increment and decrement operators. Increment and decrement by 1 operations are denoted by plus and minus. These characters can either precede or follow a variable. In the first case ++x, the x variable will be first incremented by 1 and then used in expression. Otherwise, the variable will be first used in expression and then incremented by 1. The same applies to the decrement operation. Operator. Example description. Operator. ++. A. Variable. A is incremented by 1. It will increment the value of A by 1. A++. It will also increment the variable A by 1. Operator. - B. Variable B is decremented by 1. It will decrement the value of B by 1. B-. It will also decrement the variable B by 1. Relational operators. Relational operators are used in comparisons for the purpose of comparing two variables which can be integers. Int or floating point numbers float. If an expression evaluates to true, a 1 is returned. Otherwise, a 0 is returned. This is used in expressions such as if the expression is true then. Operator. Meaning. Example. Truth condition. Operator. Greater than. Example. B is greater than A. If B is greater than A. Operator. Greater than or equal to. Example. A is greater than or equal to 5. If A is greater than or equal to 5. Operator. Less than. Example. A is less than B if A is less than B. Operator. Less than or equal to. Example. A is less than or equal to B if A is less than or equal to B. Operator. Equal to. Example. A is equal to 6. If A is equal to 6. Operator. Not equal to. Example. A is not equal to B. If A is not equal to B. Bitwise operators. Unlike logic operations being performed upon variables, the bitwise operations are performed upon single bits within operands. Bitwise operators are used to modify the bits of a variable. They are listed in the table below. Operand. Meaning. Example. Result. Operand. Tilde. Meaning. Bitwise complement. Example. A equals tilde B. If B equals 5, it will invert the value of B and save into A. Result is A equals -5. Operand. Left pointing mark. Meaning. Shift left. Example. A equals B shift left by 2-bit. If B equals 11110011, it will shift the B left by 2-bit and save data into A. Result is A equals 11001100. Operand. Right pointing mark. Meaning. Shift right. Example. A equals B shift right by 2-bit. If B equals 11110011, it will shift the B right by 2-bit and save data into A. Result is A equals 00111100. Operand and meaning bitwise n. C equals A and B. It will perform an operation with A and B and store rest in C. If A equals 11100011 and B equals 11001100, result is C equals 11000000. Operand vertical line meaning bitwise OR C equals A or B. It will perform OR operation with A and B and store result in C. If A equals 11100011 and B equals 11001100, result is C equals 11101111. Operand caret meaning bitwise X or C equals A X or B. It will perform X or operation with A and B and store result in C. If A equals 11100011 and B equals 11001100, result is C equals 00101111. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the Star Technology 5G and keep watching Star Technology 5G.